So I'm cutting this. See the fruit. Yeah, this is the fruit here. So I'm going to cut it open and bring out the seeds. So I've done a cut here and here, and then I'm going to do by the sides. You know, I'm going to do it carefully so that I do not damage the seeds. I'm going to do it on 2 different sides, and then I'm going to spread and open it, okay? Yeah. Oh my God, look at this. It has already started germinating here. Look at this. Wow. It has already started germinating here. This is wonderful. Wow. Wow. So this ugu has already started germinating, even though it is still in the pod. It has already, I just opened it now, and you can see the where it's sprouting from. So I am going to be extra, you see, here. I'm going to be extra careful in bringing these ones out so that I do not damage the germinating stems. Wow, I did not realize. I've been praying that this ugu is matured enough. I did not realize it has already started germinating here. Wow. Wow. So I'm going to be extra careful so that I do not damage either the roots or the I'm going to be extra careful. Wow, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I don't want to damage any of the roots. I'm going to remove this so that I have enough space. I'm going to remove all this parts so that I will have enough space so that I do not damage either the roots or the sprouting part of it. Wow. What am I going to do? Okay. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful. Just be careful. Wow. Okay, let me see if I can bring these two out as one. Yeah, let me first of all remove this section so that I damaged one. think the best thing is I'm going to completely open it, because I'm not going to put it back in this pot. So I think the best thing is to completely open it, bring it all out from the pod. See, I did bring out this lump, and still have these ones, and they are germinating right inside here. You see, they are germinating right inside here, and I'm so glad that I opened it up today. Wow. Yeah, I will continue to gently bring them out one by one, because I do not want to, oh, see, you know, most of them have germinated. I do not want to break the stem or the roots. So that's why I am being extra careful in doing this. And sometimes when you look at the stem that is coming out, you think it's from one particular seed, and when you try to bring it out, you notice that it's coming from another seed. You know, so this makes it difficult, you know, to bring out the seeds, you know, without breaking the roots or the stem. Yeah, and unlike the first one that I did before, that I had the opportunity of cleaning the pods, you see, this one time around is difficult because you don't want to break the roots, okay? You don't want to break the roots. You see, this one has started germinating. So if you go on trying to remove the pulp, you're going to break that root, and you don't want to do that, okay? Yeah, I'm going to leave this as it is, because I'm not sure if this is coming from this one or from this one. I'm not sure, okay? You see how long the stem this one is already, having germinated right in the pod. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay? Yeah, so I have finished bringing this out, and these are the seeds. So you can see they've already started germinating. Yeah, they have already started germinating. So I'm going to quickly start planting them, you know, so that they will grow from there. This is the planted ugu, just 1 week after planting. This one has been 1 week. It's 1 week old. It's 1 week old. Actually, this was planted earlier. This is about 2 weeks old, you know, but this one did not germinate in the pod, while this one germinated already in the pod. That's why it seems to be doing better.